In this video, you will learn how to summarize data in Edelweiss. This is useful when you have some raw data, like for example this cycling data, and you want to extract some information about each group in the data. Like for example here, maybe we want to extract the capacity and the efficiency for each cycle in the data. And here we can use the summarize function. In this data, I already have the capacity and efficiency available. And just to show how it's laid out, maybe I plot the capacity and the cycle number versus time. And here we can see that the capacity is in blue, and we have one capacity value for every data point. And really what I'm interested in is just this last data point for every cycle, which is then the total capacity for that cycle. So this we can extract using the summarize function. I start by selecting the data series that I want to summarize. So I select here the capacity and the efficiency and choose the summarize data in the toolbar. Now the data series are selected here, and we can also add and remove data series in this dialog if we want. And at the bottom we can choose which data series to summarize by. So here I want to summarize once for every cycle. And also at the top here, we can choose what function we want to apply. So we can take the mean value for every cycle or the maximum or minimum. In this case, I want to take the last value for every cycle. Choose OK, and then I get the capacity and efficiency per cycle. Another example would be in this cyclic voltammogram. Perhaps I want to get the maximum current for every scan. Then I could select the current, summarize data, and I want to summarize by the scan in this case, and I want to take the maximum value. Okay, and then I get the maximum current for every scan. In some cases, however, we don't get our data in one table like this, but maybe we get one table for every scan. So to simulate this, I can split this table, and maybe we get one table like this, and we would like to still get the maximum current for every scan. Well, then we can select all of the tables and choose summarize data. And now it will ask me if I want to make one summary of all the data in the selected tables. So if I choose yes, then I just get to choose which function we should apply. So I'm interested in the maximum value, and then it will create one table that has the maximum value for every data series in each of the three tables. Of course, it's also possible to summarize like we did before, when we do have the data in one table, but do it repeatedly for multiple tables. So I also have some other cycling data here. So maybe if I select both of those tables and then select the capacity and efficiency, and again summarize data. In this case, I do not want to make one summary of all of the data in these tables, but I want to still summarize by the cycle in each table. So here I choose no, and then I get the same dialog as before. I am interested in the last value here, and I want to summarize by the cycle number. I choose OK, and now we get this familiar question, would I like to repeat the summarizing for all of the selected items? And here I choose yes, and then I get two tables, each with the capacity and efficiency for each cycle in each of those tables. Now I also want to mention that for this specific case of getting the capacity and efficiency for every cycle, there is also some built-in application for this. So under applications and battery, we have cycling statistics, and this will do exactly what I've done so far, but it will automatically choose the capacity and efficiency, and you don't have to select the data series manually.